2. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that can be a total game changer for your financial future. Building multiple income streams. So many of us rely on a single paycheck, but what happens if that one source dries up? Having several streams of income isn't just for the super rich. It's a smart strategy for anyone looking for more security and freedom. So, where do you even start? The first step is to look at what you already have. What are your skills, passions, or assets? Are you a great writer, a talented graphic designer, or maybe you have a spare room you could rent out? Your existing abilities are your lowest hanging fruit. You could start freelancing on sites like Upwork or Fiverr, offering services you're already good at. 2. This is a fantastic way to dip your toes into a second income without a huge upfront investment. Next, let's think about passive income. This is the dream, right? Making money while you sleep. It takes work to set up, but the payoff can be huge. This could be anything from creating a digital product, like an ebook or an online course. C2, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or even starting a niche blog or YouTube channel that earns ad revenue. The key is to create something once that can continue to generate income over and over again with minimal ongoing effort. For example, if you love photography, you could sell your photos on stock photography websites. Now, let's talk about the side hustle economy. This is all about leveraging your time outside of your main job. You could drive for a rideshare service, deliver food, or start a small e-commerce store on a platform like Etsy or Shopify. The beauty of a side hustle is its flexibility. You can scale it up or down depending on your schedule and energy levels a day. The important thing is to choose something you genuinely enjoy, or at least don't mind doing. Otherwise, it'll just feel like a second, draining job, and you'll burn out quickly. Building multiple income streams is a marathon, not a sprint. It won't happen overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to experiment to see what works for you. Diversifying your income is one of the most powerful moves you can make for your financial health. Start by exploring just one new idea, get it off the ground, and then look to add another. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.